Have you ever noticed that certain things shake a woman's confidence, but she'll never admit it in relationships, power dynamics, and attraction? Understanding these hidden truths can completely change how you navigate social interactions. The Stoics taught us to master emotions, recognize psychological patterns, and confidently move through life. Today we break down 7 Stoic psychologies that successfully challenge a woman's ego and put you in control of your own destiny. Stoicism isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature and mastering yourself. Women, like men, have insecurities, emotional patterns, and psychological blind spots. Knowing what subtly affects their confidence allows you to stand strong, avoid emotional traps, and maintain high-value lesson. 1. Indifference to validation. Women are used to receiving validation, whether through social media attention or compliments. But the moment a man doesn't give them that validation, it triggers something deep inside. Why it destroys ego. She starts questioning her attractiveness and social power. Stoic approach: train yourself to give validation, sparingly, only when deserved. This shifts the dynamic, making you more attractive and respected. Lesson 2. Mastering emotional control. Women are highly intuitive when it comes to emotions. If they see you getting reactive, insecure, or desperate, they subconsciously lose respect. Why it destroys ego. A man who doesn't let emotions control him is unpredictable and intriguing. Listen to this Stoic approach. Practice emotional discipline. Observe your emotions, but never let them dictate your actions. Lesson 3. Walking away without fear. Most men fear losing a woman, but the moment she senses you can walk away without hesitation, her ego takes a hit. Why it destroys ego. She realizes she has no control over you. Give attention to this Stoic approach. Detach from outcomes. Value yourself above any relationship. Lesson 4. Being mysterious and unpredictable. Predictability kills attraction. Women love a challenge and mystery because it keeps their interest high. Why it destroys ego. She can't fully figure you out, making her question her control. Listen to this Stoic approach. Don't reveal everything. Keep a level of unpredictability in your words and actions. Lesson 5. Prioritizing purpose over her. A man with a strong purpose in life is rare. Women respect and admire men who chase their goals relentlessly. Why it destroys ego. She realizes she's not the center of your world, making her work harder for your attention. Listen to this Stoic approach. Always put your mission first. A woman should complement your life, not be the focus. Lesson 6. Not falling for emotional manipulation. Some women test men through emotional tactics, guilt-tripping or playing the victim when you remain unaffected. It shifts the power dynamic. Why it destroys ego. She realizes emotional games don't work on you. Listen to the Stoic approach. Stay logical. See emotional tests for what they are and respond with calm reasoning. Lesson 7. High standards and selectivity. Most men lower their standards out of desperation. A man who is selective stands out. Why it destroys ego. She realizes she needs to earn your attention. Listen to this Stoic approach. Set high standards for who you allow into your life. Value your time and energy. Understanding these psychological dynamics isn't about being manipulative, but about self-mastery. Women respect men who hold their ground, stay emotionally strong, and move with purpose. If you apply these Stoic principles, you won't just attract women, you'll command respect in every area of life. The key takeaway: master yourself and everything else will follow. Women are naturally drawn to strength, confidence, and resilience. The moment you embrace Stoic principles, you shift from chasing to being chased. If this video resonated with you, subscribe for deeper Stoic insights on attraction, power, and self-mastery. Stay strong, stay Stoic.